Hello everyone, let us see grammar part. Question number 5a. Verb forms show both tense, that means present, past or future, and aspect. Aspect means progressive or continuous, perfect or perfect, progressive or perfect continuous. So let us see the format here. Progressive or continuous. What's the formula? Be plus verb present participle, that means ing form. Present participle, example, present progressive or present continuous. He is playing, she is writing, they are dancing. Past progressive, he was playing, they were writing, they were singing, etc. Future progressive or continuous, he will be playing, she will be playing, they will be writing, they will be traveling, etc. Now see the perfect one. Aspect perfect. Have or has or had. Verb, V3 form of the verb, that means en or ed. For example, present perfect. How do you use? They have played, she has played, he has played. Past perfect. Past perfect only had is used. Had plus participle form. They had played, he had played, she had played, my mother had cooked, etc. Future perfect. They will have played, we shall have played, he will have played, etc. Perfect progressive. In perfect progressive or perfect continuous tense, have, has, had plus been, you have to use verb and ing form. Present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous tense, we have been playing, she has been playing, he has been playing, they have been playing, etc. Past perfect progressive, listen carefully. We had been playing, they had been playing, she had been playing. That means only had is used in past perfect progressive. Future perfect progressive. In future, we are using which one? Shall. Shall plus have plus been and ing. We shall have been. They will have been. He will have been. She will have been, etc. Now see B. Underline the verb forms in the following sentences and state their tense and aspect. See, they are waiting for the right winds. Tense here which one? Present. Aspect is continuous or progressive. People were haggling over the price of kites. Tense, present, past tense, and aspect is continuous or progressive. Then third one, vendors had been selling kites all through the week. Here tense is past and aspect is perfect progressive. Then skilled craftsmen. Skilled craftsmen had demonstrated age-old skills. Here tense is past, then aspect is perfect. State Tourism Corporation will be organizing the International Kite Festival. Will be organizing. Tense, future, aspect, continuous. Kite flyers have demonstrated their skills with exotic kites. Have demonstrated. Tense, present, and aspect is perfect. In this way, you have to write answer. What I am telling you, you have to write your own sentences and write tense and aspect separately. Thank you.